In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving vectors using calculator. Now, after going through this video, I guarantee you that you'll be able to solve problems involving vectors using Casio fx-CG50 graphical calculator in seconds for multiple choice quizzes. So ensure you stay with me to the very end of this video because you are going to learn a lot, guys. Having known that, let's get the Casio calculator now and go into the details of the video. Okay, so this is Casio fx-CG50 graphical calculator. Now, the very first thing you have to do is to reset it. The essence of resetting it is to wipe out whatever previous value you might have stored on the calculator. Okay, so to quickly reset it, all you have to do is to navigate to system using this navigation button. When you get here to system, press execute. Okay, then when you get to press F5, then press F6 for next page, then press F2 to initialize or F1, and it will begin to initialize or as indicated here. Execute for this calculator stands for equal to. You're going to find the magnitude of the vector, the products, scalar products, and the rest of them. It's done. Press exit. Okay, so next we are going to do now will be to put the calculator in vector mode. Okay, so to quickly do that, under this one matrix, we press execute. Okay, now under F3, which is mask to the vector, you press F3, and when you get here, you press this F6 button, and it will change to vector. So let's give this vector dimension. Alright, for vector A, our vector A here will be our P in this question. So let's press execute. So the dimension of the vector P here, which is our vector A on the calculator, will be 1, alright, is to 3. So that's the dimension of vector P there, which is our vector A here. Okay, so let's see the value is going to be 7. We have it to be 7 minus 3 and 2. Okay, so let's press exit and impute the dimension for vector Q. Okay, so press exit. Now for vector Q, which is our vector B on this calculator, the dimension is still 1:3. Okay, now given this question is not having K unit vector, just I and J, it would have been 1:2, but since it's having I, J and K, it's 1:3, 3-dimensional vector. Okay, so press execute. Now let's see the values for vector Q, which is 4, 5, and -3. Okay, now note that as I impute the values, they are being stored on the calculator automatically. So let's press the exit button and begin to find what we asked to find. We asked to find the magnitude of P and Q. Okay, so to get the magnitude of vector P and Q, now note this symbol. Let me show you this symbol. There are some examiners who use this to denote magnitude. So this sign can be used for magnitude. If they don't use it in words, they might use this sign, so it represents what magnitude. So take note of what I have explained here. Okay, so for magnitude of vector P and Q is going to be, we go to option, then under option we press F2 for mask to a vector. Then to get the magnitude, you are going to go to this norm. Alright, when you get to press F1 for it, then press option again, mask to the vector, then we press this for next page, then vector what? Magnitude of vector A. We use vector A for our P on the calculator, so we press alpha A. That's all. Close the brackets, press execute. So the magnitude of vector P here is what? Root of 62, square root of 62. If you want to put this value in decimal, you press SD. So it's as simple as that, guys. Let's delete everything and press exit. Okay, delete. Or let's find the magnitude of vector Q at the same time. What you have to do is to use navigation button. So our vector Q on this calculator is our vector B. So we use B for it on this calculator. Press alpha B, and that's a press execute. So this will be the magnitude of vector Q. To change it to decimal, press SD. Alright, so it's as simple as that, guys. Let's delete everything here and find the scalar product of vector P and Q. So press delete or F1. Okay, so you go back to option, max to the vector. So we're looking for the scalar product. Press F6 for next, or you press this out button. Okay, so you press F6 again, look for scalar product, which is our dot product. Alright, so which is F2. Now when you get here, you impute the vector. Alright, so scalar product is something like dot product, vector A, which is our P. Okay, alpha A, comma, put comma, very important, guys, and vector B, which is our Q. That will be the scalar product of vector P and Q. Alright, alpha B, close the bracket, very important, guys. And that's all. Let's press execute. 7. So the scalar product or the dot product of vector P and Q, which is our A and B on this calculator, is what? 7. Okay, now if you ask to find the cross product, for instance, all you have to do is to, let's delete everything here, exit. Okay, all you have to do is to go back to option, mask to vector. Okay, F6, or make use of this button. So look at cross product, F3, cross product of P and Q. This is our A and B here. We have vector A, alpha A. Okay, comma, vector B, alpha B. Close the brackets, and that's all. Press execute. So this is the cross product of vector P and Q, in case you are asked to find cross product. And lastly, for this question, let's find the cosine of angle between vector P and Q. So let's delete everything and press exit button. Okay, delete all. Go back to option, F2, then next. Look at angle. Alright, so press angle, F4. So the cosine of the angle between vector P and Q, which is our vector A and B on this calculator, so it's going to be, we press vector alpha A, alright, comma, vector alpha B, and close the brackets. That's a press execute. 1.44. Now this is the value in radius. Alright, by default my calculator is on radius. Alright, since we are looking for the angle, it's meant to be in degree. To quickly change it to degree, all you have to do is to press shift menu, then scroll down to angle. When you get here, to change it to degree, all you have to do is to press F1. It has changed to degree. That's the press exit. Then press equal to again. Now the answer will change to degree or execute. Okay, as you can see, 82.77 degrees. So this will be the cosine of the angle between vector P and Q for this question. Alright, so that's basically how you can solve problems involving vectors using the Casio calculator. In seconds for multiple choice questions. So learn something interesting from
this video. If you are new to the channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel from what I've learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my subsequent video.